Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that brings you some of the most exciting and most epic road moments ever caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be a banger, so make sure to stick till the end and enjoy this one. Well, let's just say that this van driver was not a huge fan of the way how the truck driver overtook him, and a crazy road rage situation unfolded. The van driver most certainly wanted to act tough in traffic here, but he didn't think that he would run into such a crazy truck driver who would take things this far.
Что-то хочешь там, давай, наверное, нахуй. Останавливай. Давай, фокус. Меня он не пустит, тебя надо пустить. Заводи его.
In this situation here, we see a truck driver overtaking a vehicle that's in front of him, but unfortunately, the car driver didn't like that move at all, so he decided to retaliate. But check out how the action unfolded. Even though the car driver had clear intentions of brake checking the truck driver on the other hand, didn't press the brake pedal.
Это блатной, хули, 3 единицы, ты сам говоришь, нахуй, блядь. Да.
There will always be some rude and crazy drivers who never learn their lesson, and such is the case in this situation here. Even though he didn't learn his lesson, this crazy driver decided to overtake the trucker once more and try to teach him the same lesson with the same outcome. I guess that the truck driver's second hit finally made him realize a thing or two about proper road behavior, so he moved on. In the second part of the video, we have a somewhat of a familiar story as in the previous one. We see a Nissan driver who didn't appreciate a trucker driving in the outer lane, so he decided to cut right in front of him. Let's see the outcome of this one. The constant brake checking continued for around 3 minutes or so, and the truck driver was really fed up with this poor road behavior, so he started asking other traffic participants to help him stop the crazy Nissan driver, and this is what's about to happen now.
Нафиг обойди. Скамеечка, что, остановимся давайте? Давай, нафиг слева обойди. Где, ребят? Давай, давай, Дафик, объезжай его, обходи, давай его, вот зажмем маленько.
In this situation here, the driver also didn't like the fact that the truck driver was moving in the outer lane, so he cut right in front of him, just as in the previous video. But like in the previous encounter, this truck driver was not playing any games. He resorted to rear-ending the driver in front of him and teach him a valuable lesson about road behavior. The original reason for the road rage is unknown, well, at least to us, but let's check this one out. There are a lot of drivers out there who think that it's okay and cool to provoke semi-truck drivers. This is something that's completely crazy, and we will never advise you to do something like this. In this situation, the van driver nearly ran the camera off the road completely.
Dick there. Did you see that moron? Moron, he's gonna kill somebody. He ain't even on the road. Look at him. What the hell?
Pay close attention and take notes from this video, because you will see how not to cross the roads by all means. One particular driver thought that he was better than the rest of the drivers in traffic, so he tried to use the shoulder of the road to get his way through, but unfortunately for him, a karma cop was there and he reacted right on time. And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a valuable thing or something of value to you, because after all, that's the purpose of this channel. It's to learn simply by observing the mistakes of other drivers. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that's the only thing that can help us grow. And also, while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.